Today, we're cooking a delicious Filipino dish called tinolang manok or chicken tinola. It's a savory soup made with chicken, sayote, malunggay, and ginger, and it's super nutritious. This dish is packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals that help keep our bodies strong and healthy. Let's get cooking! First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need chicken cut into pieces, sayote peeled and sliced, malunggay, ginger, optional, lemongrass or tanglad, garlic, and onion. Then later, we'll add some fish sauce and some salt and pepper to taste. Now, here's a cool trick. We grate our ginger. Grating it helps release most of its juice, which is not only great for flavor, but also helps kids like me enjoy it more. Ginger is awesome because it helps with digestion and keeps you warm and cozy. Next, heat up some oil in a pot. Now, toss in your aromatics. I like to put some onion first. Saute the onion until translucent. Next, add garlic. Then, grated ginger. Saute until they smell amazing. Ginger helps boost our immune system, and garlic? Well, garlic keeps us healthy by fighting off bad germs. Now, add your chicken pieces and cook them until they're lightly browned to remove any unpleasant taste. Chicken gives us lean protein that helps our muscles grow strong. Pour in some water enough to cover the chicken. And bring it to a boil. I like adding some lemongrass to my tinola. Just crush the lemongrass stalks a bit with the back of your knife and toss into the pot. It adds a wonderful fresh aroma that will make your kitchen smell amazing. Once the water is boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Now this is where the magic happens. All the flavors come together to create that tasty, comforting broth. Now it's time for the sayote. Add it in. And season with fish sauce, salt, and pepper. Let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the sayote is tender. Sayote is not just yummy, it's also full of fiber, which helps our tummies stay happy and healthy. Now this is the final step. Let's add our malunggay leaves. Malunggay is a superfood packed with vitamins A and C. It's great for our immune system and helps keep our skin healthy. Just add a handful of leaves into the soup, stir it in gently, and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it! The malunggay adds that perfect fresh touch. If you need more seasoning, just add a bit more salt or fish sauce. Then it's ready to serve. And there you have it, tinolang manok ni Reagan. A comforting and nutritious Filipino dish that's perfect for any meal. Serve it with rice and enjoy. Remember, each ingredient in this soup helps your body stay strong and healthy. Happy cooking!